If you own a Razer Phone 2, you know how important it is to keep that stunning screen flawless. The tempered glass protector kit is designed specifically for this phone, offering durable, scratch-resistant protection that covers the entire front glass. It's not just a shield, it's peace of mind for your device. Many users have tried third-party screen protectors only to face scratches and touch sensitivity issues after just a few months. This official tempered glass protector stands apart by providing full coverage and lasting durability. While it costs around $20, it's a smart investment compared to repeatedly replacing damaged screens or unreliable protectors. One standout feature is how well it absorbs impact. Imagine dropping your phone accidentally. Without protection, that fall could leave your screen shattered. This protector dissipates the energy from impacts, preventing cracks and spiderweb patterns that often appear after drops. One customer shared their experience after a drop. The protector shattered with a spiderweb pattern, but the actual phone screen underneath stayed perfectly intact. They carefully peeled off the broken protector and found zero damage on the phone itself. That's the kind of reliable defense that matters when your phone slips from your hand. Besides protection, this kit maintains the phone's sleek design. It's thin and clear, so you don't lose any touch responsiveness or visual clarity. You get the same smooth experience without sacrificing safety. If you're tired of worrying about scratches or cracks, this tempered glass protector is worth a look. It's tailored for the Razer Phone 2 and backed by top reviews from users across the United States who value quality and durability. Try it when you're ready to give your phone the protection it deserves. With this official tempered glass protector, you get a reliable barrier that keeps your screen looking new, even after accidental drops. Don't settle for less when it comes to your phone's screen. The tempered glass protector kit offers durable scratch resistance and impact absorption that truly protects your investment. Consider upgrading your phone's defense today.